it's Mercedes and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be showing you guys behind the scenes on how to take cute Instagram photos. So, step 1, grab a friend. Step 2, get coffee. And so since the morning, we got snacks. I got a healthy Kind bar and Courtney got chips. The next step would be to get props, and we just got pineapples in the back, hello friends, from Ralph's, so check. Next step, choose the location. So right now we are headed to Laguna Beach to shoot some really cool shots, so let's go. Next step, find a parking, because it is so hard to find a parking, and we got that accomplished, so yay. Next step, we have arrived, so now we have to unload the car, so we're gonna do that right now. Okay, we made it down to the beach. I just got attacked by a beetle, if I captured that. But right now we are doing like behind the scenes right now. We found a spot and I just briefly set up something right now. Like a little blog post. Obviously I'd have to edit it and stuff like that, but Courtney's doing some photos behind the scenes, and then we will move on to my photo that I'm going to take next. And I think we're going to use this like area where it has like rocks, greenery, and then like palm trees, because it's like 3 things in one photo. And then we're also gonna play off the rocks over here in the back here. But it's just all about location and stuff like that, and putting things together that fit good. Yeah. Okay, so right now we are going to do the first outfit. I have some glasses, some jewelry over here, yellow shirt, white skirt. I'll have Courtney give you like a full pan down, but we are going to do the first photo, and yeah, let's have fun. So now Courtney's showing me what the image looks like. Wow, so cool. Okay, now we did an outfit change. I was wearing this, and now I am wearing this. I'll have Courtney do another up down for you guys. Here we go. We're still shooting. The humidity is so real out here. My hair is just so freaking flat. But anyways, it's all about the angles and location, light, all that stuff, which you could play later with like Lightroom and stuff. So it's just about capturing the photo right now. Let's continue. Okay people, the beach session is over. We're gonna pack up and head back to the car and find a new location, so let's go. Now we have to pack everything up. people, so we found another cool wall that has like greenery growing up it. So we are going to start shooting there. It's been probably about 45 minutes since I drove all the way back from Laguna, but I'm about to touch up my makeup and then start shooting, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys like what shooting consists of. So Courtney has to mess with her camera so she can get the lighting right. So she has to take a bunch of test shots of me to set the right color and temperature and get the like whiting and all of that correct. So that's what she's doing. So we found a coffee shop to shoot our next look in, and I have to change in the car. So some secrets for you guys as how I change into my other outfits and all that stuff. It's either in the car or Courtney's holding her jacket for me. Yeah, it's not pretty, but anything for Instagram pictures, right? Okay, we got everything. That's a wrap. Got some water. It tastes like crap. Thanks, coffee shop. But I'm gonna actually show you guys what my outfit looks like because I didn't do that. So I'm gonna have Courtney go up and down for you guys. I am home, but the job does not stop. Now I have to upload all of the photos that got taken this morning, today, and start editing them. So going through all of the photos, seeing which ones I like, which ones I don't like. Welcome to my beautiful studio. Hi, mamacita. Okay, so now we are just going to be looking over the photos. So that is the next step to getting the best Insta pics. You guys made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to do all of that other stuff like subscribe, all that other stuff, turn my bell on, you know, all the like usual stuff everyone tells you to do. All that stuff, yeah, all that stuff. Anyways, so by now I have released my website. I could finally say that because I've been working on this for a while now and I'm so excited about it. So if you guys haven't already, go ahead and check out my website. I will link that down below as well, and get pumped for Motivational Mondays on my channel. That's right, you heard it from the realist, that's me. Every Monday you guys should be expecting a motivational video. I'm kind of just getting ready for that long work week. Get excited because I'm excited to start this journey with you guys. And if you guys haven't checked out my website, please, 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 please do, because it means the world to me and I hope it does really good and I'm really excited, and I should stop talking right now and end this video, which I'm gonna do. But thank you guys for watching my video. That's all I have for you, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, love you guys.